everyone, so this is my tempeh factory. Let me take you inside. Every day we gotta prepare the beans to be made into tempeh. So let me walk you through the tempeh making process first. First we have to take the skin off the bean, then we got to soak it, and it's a very manual process. We have to wash it by hand. After we wash it very cleanly, we cook it in this cooker here. Then we will add the tempeh culture so that it can ferment and become a tempeh. And it has to be fermented in a very precise and controlled environment. This is the incubation room. Over here we have some raw tempeh that's being fermented. This will have to sit in the incubation room overnight. After about 1 day, it will start to grow a layer of white mycelium that will cover the whole tempeh. We consistently have to check its temperature. Making tempeh is just like taking care of a baby. The process to make the tempeh bakwan is extremely labor intensive. So not only do we have to ferment the tempeh from scratch, which already takes many days, we also have to make the sauce, and then after that we have to marinate this tempeh, bake it in the oven, and then finish it off with a Japanese aburi blowtorch process. We made sure that it is extremely similar to real bakwan, except that we took into account to make this sauce 100% vegan and also allium free, which means no garlic and onion, so that this takes into account all of our customers' dietary restrictions.